The Ministry of Primary and Secondary Education, in conjunction with the Zimbabwe Broadcasting Corporation, in collaboration with UNICEF, Solon Foundation, and FACT Zimbabwe, brings you educational lessons focusing on literacy and numerous skills. Parents and guardians, please assist children with special needs. Stay tuned for a fruitful lesson in education.
Welcome to the Education Zone, a program brought to you by the Ministry of Primary and Secondary Education. I am Miriam Muzunze, your Mathematics and Science Facilitator. Parents, guardians, and family members, you are welcome to join the lesson. I understand we have learners who have different learning abilities. Therefore, for those with partial hearing impairment, make them sit closer to the radio receiver. For the hard of hearing, kindly assist with sign language so that they benefit from this lesson. In this lesson, learners, I want you to have a pen or pencil, a notebook, or an ICT gadget for recording purposes. In the last lesson, I asked you to practice counting objects up to 10. I am sure you had fun and you can now count a variety of objects such as 5 seeds, 5 fingers, 2 legs, 5 bananas, and many other objects. Well done, boys and girls. Today we are focusing on the topic Science, Mathematics and Discovery Play. You will learn about sources of water and the dangers associated with these water sources. You will also suggest solutions to these dangers. Girls and boys, let us start by reciting a short rhyme called Little Drops of Water. I will recite it first while you listen, and then we recite it together a second time. I will start, boys and girls. Little drops of water, little drops of water, make a mighty river, make a mighty dam. Little drops of water, little drops of water. Now, boys and girls, stand up and let us recite the rhyme together. Little drops of water, little drops of water, make a mighty river, make a mighty dam. Little drops of water, little drops of water. Well done, well done, well done, boys and girls. Now you can sit down. What was the rhyme about, girls and boys? You are correct if you said it is talking about little drops of water. What do the drops of water make? What do the drops of water make? Tell someone assisting you. You are correct if you said they make a dam or a river. Girls and boys, water can also be found in many other places besides dams and rivers. Tell your family members about the other sources of water. You did well, boys and girls, if you said we get water from a borehole, a well, from the rain, from a spring, a river, a dam, or wetlands. The sources once again: a borehole, a well, from the rain, a spring, a river, a dam, or wetland. In urban areas, sometimes water is brought into our homes from the water source through pipes, and we get it from the tap. Well done, boys and girls. Clap hands for yourselves. Did you know that even though water is very important to us, it can also be very dangerous? Not all the water is clean and safe to use, boys and girls. What can you find in dirty water? What can you find in dirty water? Tell your family members. You are correct if you said you can find germs in water. So, boys and girls, we should not drink water from unprotected sources. For example, rivers, dams, and unprotected wells. Boys and girls, what should we do about it? If you get water from unprotected sources, how do you make it safe to drink? Tell someone assisting you. You are correct if you said the water should be boiled first before drinking or treated with chemicals before use. Well done, boys and girls. I'm sure now you have learned a lot about water, boys and girls. Tell your family members the dangers of water that is found in big sources like rivers. You are correct if you said water in flooded rivers and dams is dangerous. If you cross or play around big rivers that are flooded, what happens to you, boys and girls? What will happen to you if you play around dams or big flooded rivers? You are correct if you said you may drown. When you want to cross a river, make sure you have someone older than you to assist you. Boys and girls, you should also not fetch water from a well on your own. You may fall into the well and it can lead to death. In urban areas, we also have swimming pools and fish ponds. It is not safe for you to swim without an adult or lifeguard near you. In fact, these should be protected by nets and a fence. Girls and boys, I want you to tell someone assisting you what you learned today. Well done if you said you learned about sources of water and the dangers of these sources of water. Now let us recite the poem once again. Let's start. Little drops of water, little drops of water, make a mighty river, make a mighty dam. Little drops of water, little drops of water. Well done, well done, well done, boys and girls. For your homework, I want you to draw a big river and color the water. Draw a big river and color the water. This is the end of our lesson. I am Miriam Muzunze, your ECD Mathematics and Science Facilitator. Stay safe.
Today's broadcast of educational lessons was brought to you by the Ministry of Primary and Secondary Education in conjunction with the Zimbabwe Broadcasting Corporation in collaboration with UNICEF, Solon Foundation and FACT Zimbabwe. We hope you enjoyed the educational broadcast. Tune in for more educational lessons on ZBC Radio.